Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum with another exciting car. 62 Thunderbird with the Roadster package. We're going to spin it around and I'll tell you what I know about it. We just purchased it from an estate. It was the same owner for a long time. The car looks beautiful. You can see that. It's straight, shiny, the trim sparkles, the red interior pops. It's not a perfect car. A little bit of fading up here, a little bit of wear and tear, I guess, little nicks, chips in the paint. It shows really well and the car is priced right. You won't be able to buy a sleeker car than this for what we're going to be asking. Go to volocars.com. You'll get all the specs, the pricing, pictures from underneath, up on top. But let me tell you a little more about the car. It has an add-on Continental kit, which is pretty cool. All the chrome back here is beautiful. Taillight lenses are real nice. Continental kit, I imagine, is removable if you didn't want it, just bolted to the bumper. Part of the Roadster kit was the chrome Kelsey Hayes wire wheels, which it has. Really adds a lot of sparkle to the car. You got radial tires. The tonneau lid lifts off real easy. That just comes right off and you got a full back seat. You got a back seat underneath there. It doesn't interfere with the top. So you have a two-seater or a four-seater. This has the power top and power windows, so you can do everything right from the driver's seat. It's got that cool swing-away wheel. It's got seat belts somebody added. It's a 390 motor. It runs smooth as can be. Chrome up front here is all in beautiful shape. Headlight bezels usually are pitted. They're not on this car. Underneath, this car is real solid too. So I want to demonstrate how the top opens up. We're going to do that outside where we have a little more room. I let the car run when you operate the top. So we're going to pull it outside and stick around, and you're going to want to see that. It's pretty cool. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs and see all of our cars for sale. Okay, we got the T-Bird outside. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how the top works. It's pretty cool. This is the tonneau cover that covers up the back seat. Kind of makes it look like a Batmobile. Converts a four-passenger into a two-seater Roadster. This lifts off one person. It's super light. There's a couple of thumb screws and a latch. That comes right off. That does not affect the top. I'm going to put the top up and I'm going to leave that right in place. So it does not affect the top. Then you got two people you want to bring with. This comes off in 30 seconds. But the top is pretty neat. How it opens and it comes out. It kind of puts on a show. Another cool feature in this T-Bird is this swing-away wheel. You swing it out of your way to get in and out of the car. Unique feature you never see on any other car. We're going to start it up. Power windows too. This one has a Continental kit on the back, so I got to drop that down to open the lid. It's pretty simple. There's a handle here that leans it back. Two latches. Now it's out of the way of the trunk lid. That is an aftermarket accessory that can be removed if you didn't like it. I think it adds more pizzazz. Along with them wire wheels too, that adds some stuff. Let it do its thing. It's pretty cool how the thing goes down. have it. It is a pretty cool operation there. Takes a little bit of time, but pretty neat. That will go down the rest of the way. I guess I stopped hitting the button a little too soon. And you can see the top does not affect the Roadster kit. There's a manual latch on the windshield. I just latched it. It was easy. So there you have it.